Come with me to the World Cup opener at the Azteca. A quick taxi up to the stadium where I was met by a real carnival atmosphere on the streets in the lead up to kick-off. Made my way up to the media centre. Inside, a bit of a queue to get some food. I got a little wrap to keep myself going. And then it was time to go up to the press box. And as the fans made their way in, I had a bit of a tricky time making my own way. So unfortunately I was sent to the wrong press box, so let's walk halfway around the stadium to the right press box. Thankfully, I eventually made my way up to the press box ahead of the opening ceremony 90 minutes before kick-off. We joined World Cup, music, dance, and then it was time for the teams to come out and just listen to that noise. Mexico ran out 2-0 winners to get the campaign off to the perfect start. So that's a wrap here from the Estadio Azteca. What an incredible occasion at the World Cup opener. Chatted to a lot of very excited Mexico fans after the game. I put together a couple of videos for our social channels and filed a colour piece for independent.ie. So time for me to get out of here, and next up, LA.